So this is a quick video on how to do a partial chamfer. So chamfer only a portion of a model. So it's actually the steps from a 2019 ordinary level question I'm using as the model. So go to features, go towards fillet, drop down arrow, chamfer. Okay, now you need to select offset face. So this one here, so offset face. And then you can select partial edge parameters. Okay, and then we can select this one here. And then if you want to move the fillet or the chamfer rather, you can move the distance here. So you can, okay, so that's how you can do it. You can adjust the size here. And then you take OK. And there it is, there done. So that's how you can do a partial chamfer.